30 days of food as medicine challenge, and today we're going to be talking about how to take care of your sore throat and cure it with the power of food. Number 1, a warm cup of herbal tea. Herbal tea basically reduces the kapha dosha and takes care of the irritation and congestion in the throat. Number 2, ginger. Ginger is anti-inflammatory and helps us soothe the congestion in the throat. You can either add it to the tea or eat it raw as a piece. Number 3, honey. Honey is basically a kapha and vata pacifier, and it helps you soothe your congestion. You can either add it to a glass of lukewarm water and gargle it out as a sweet pacifier. Number 4, a warm soup could actually act as a magical pill. Adding a lot of spices like ginger, garlic, pepper and having it hot can help you relieve the irritation in your throat. If you like this post, do like it and share with your friends and post in your favorite tip in the comment section.